This is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. First, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Onwards, launch the Play Store, log into your Google account if you haven't already. Then you will need to find the Opera browser using the search bar. Then you can initialize its installation either directly from the search results, from here, or from its respective app info page, doesn't matter which route you'll go for. Then just give it some time to be downloaded and installed. Onwards, launch the app. And while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you perform a very simple setup. So first step is to tap continue, then you can enable notifications or skip this step. Then you can also set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip this step as well. And at this final page, you can either change the data collection preferences or allow everything that the Opera is asking for and start using it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.